All right, so the next topic I want to talk about is something called template inheritance. And we have pulled up the Django docs here, and they call this the most powerful and thus complex part of Django's template engine. And we're going to break it down so that it's easily understandable. But essentially, template inheritance allows you to build a base skeleton template that contains all the common elements of your site and defines blocks that child templates can override. So you basically build one big skeleton, basically blueprint, that you can share across your whole entire site, and then you define specific blocks to be injected into that overall skeleton. So let's look at an example they have here. So this is just a template page, a Django template. You can see it's an HTML page. They have their head and their body. And this template they call base.html. And typically, when you're defining your template skeleton, your skeleton template that some other templates will inherit from, you will call it base.html or underscore base.html just to say, hey, this is the base file, this is the base skeleton that my site is going to be built around. And in this example, they have a title, My Amazing Site. They have a navigation linking to the home and blog. And then they have something called block content. And so up here, like they mentioned, these blocks define what portions of this file will be overridden. So here they have block title, My Amazing Site, and block. So this could be overridden. They have block sidebar, and then list out their links. So this could be overridden. And they have block content. And typically you'll see block content as being the main content of the page. So let's take a look at a file that could inherit from this. So if we scroll down here, this child template, which is a list of their blog entries, starts off by saying extends and then this file name base.html. So Django templating language will see this and it will load in this entire skeleton file. And then within this child template, you can define which blocks you want to inject into this skeleton. So they have a block title, My Amazing Blog, and then block content. So if we look at block title, My Amazing Blog, in the skeleton, they have block title, My Amazing Site. So this will be changed to My Amazing Blog. And then they also define a block content, which you'll typically see as being the main body of the page. And the template skeleton here has block content. They don't pass any information in, so this will be overridden with the content here. And here you could see that they're just looping through each blog entry and displaying the title and the body. And now why would we use this? Why would we use this template inheritance? Well, the example here with this navigation is that let's imagine we had 10 pages, the home, the blog, and 10 other pages. If you wanted to add another page to the site and to the navigation, you would have to go through all 10 pages, update this item to have the new link, and then you'd have to add the whole entire thing to the new page. So you can imagine if you have a very complex site, if you make one small change that has to be changed across the whole site, it would be tedious and super error prone to go through every single page and change that one item. So template inheritance lets you kind of create these skeleton files that are commonalities between all the pages. So you only have to update one thing. And then within the children templates, you can just inject the specific information. So this has a title here, My Amazing Site, which is kind of like a default. But then if you want to display a title specific to that page, you can just pass that in and it will override it. Awesome. So template inheritance is a powerful and somewhat complex topic, but I hope this helped you understand it, and we will dive into our project and apply it in the next video.